Hello, today we will bring you a small but mighty engraving machine, the EM Smart Nova. First, let's look at the exterior of this engraver. It has a folding design that is very unprecedented. It doesn't require you to tediously set it up. It lifts up and is ready to use. What's more, it's also only 8.5 kilograms, making it easy to carry anywhere and perfect for commercial use. This design is very convenient and saves you the time and hassle of installation. Next, let's look at what it can do.